So this is how you add a picture to your iMovie and add words to it. So drag the picture into iMovie. Then you're gonna at the top you'll click on titles, select which one you want. You have several options. So I'm gonna pick focus. Click on it. Then it's gonna pop up over here. Type in your title or whatever word you want to show. I want to change the font. So and then I want to change the colors right here. Make it red. Now the font is red, and if you scroll through it, this is how your slide or the movie will look so far. This is how you get music and videos from YouTube to put into your iMovie. So do a Google search, go to YouTube to MP4. First one that comes up is YouTube to MP3 converter. So MP3 will be a music file, MP4 will be a video. So go to YouTube. And find the video you want. So I'm going to take this one right here.
No matter what size adventure.
Copy and paste. So copy the link. Go back to the converter. You want the video, select MP4. So I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to click on convert. It's going to download. Alright, then once that comes up, click download. Block this right here. Alright, then the video is going to open up into QuickTime.
In 1830,
Now I can put this video into my iMovie from YouTube. So I'm going to go to my Finder. It's right here. It's the first one. So now I'm putting it in. Then we're going to insert another title for our first question. Do reveal. What was the Texas Revolution? Change the font. Color again. Now that we have multiple items in the iMovie, you want to select a transition so it'll go from picture to video smoothly. So I'm going to do dissolve, insert that right there so it'll transition to this part. Move this question over. Then I don't want this entire video clip, so I'm going to stop it go to the part where I want to stop it at right here. And I'm going to right click, I'm going to right click, and then I want to split the clip, so I'm going to split it right there, and that way that's the only part of the video that I can show. The part that I don't want, then I'm just going to have it highlighted yellow and then push delete, and now it's gone. To get audio or music from YouTube, do the same. It's similar to what you do with the video. So I'm going to take this sound here that I want to put into my iMovie. I'm going to copy and paste the link. I'm going to go back to the converter and go to MP3. So go to home, then go to MP3, paste the link, convert. All right, then download it. Close that out. Then it's going to open in iTunes. So now the audio file or the music file that you wanted from YouTube is going to be in your recents in Finder. So I'm going to put this at the beginning of my presentation. And I don't want the whole thing to play, so I'm going to shorten it. So you select it to shorten it. And you take it down. I just want it to play one time, so open it back up to where the sound is. Scroll it down to where it starts. And I want the sound to fade in. So move this to make it fade in. Open it up to where it's showing the entire tab. Alright, that's the end of the sound file, so now I want it to fade out. And I'm going to move it back to where I want it to play at. So I want to play right here. And then let's play it to see how it looks with the sound and the audio file.